Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good tiramisu. First, ensure you have high-quality ingredients, including fresh mascarpone cheese, large eggs, and strong espresso. Begin by brewing about 1½ cups of espresso and allow it to cool to room temperature. Next, separate 6 egg yolks into a heat-proof bowl. Whisk these yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light yellow and thick, forming a sabayon. Now, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. Place your egg yolk and sugar mixture over a double boiler, whisking constantly until it thickens and reaches about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat and let it cool. In a separate bowl, gently whip 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese until it's smooth. Carefully fold the cooled egg sabayon into the mascarpone, ensuring a light and airy consistency for your cream. With your cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these espresso-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, spread about 1/2 of your rich mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer of ladyfingers. Repeat this process to create a second layer, ensuring a good balance of coffee and cream. To finish, generously dust the top of your assembled tiramisu with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful contrast and a hint of bitterness. Now, the hardest part. Cover and refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and the dessert to set properly. When ready, slice and serve this delightful treat. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.